Wasn't that fun? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself and that we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.